Watercolor is easy. Everyone can create beautiful paintings. Hi, my name is Vitalii Dets. I am a Ukrainian artist, finalist of 10 outstanding young persons of Ukraine for creating a fast method to learn painting. The main idea is that you proceed at once to painting with watercolor over a pre-made sketch. We do it together, step by step. You follow color mixing recipes of old masters. I show you the sequence of applying paint layer by layer. You try to repeat my brush techniques and use different tricks that I show you on the video. Within an hour, you will have a finished painting and will gain confidence in creating similar painting on your own. This fast method is the result of my 15 years of experience in conducting masterclasses for beginners and 40 years of experience of Ukrainian artist Andrei Gerasimuk, one of the 20 best watercolorists in the world. Since 2005, I have given more than 1,000 masterclasses to 10,000 people all over the world. In 2016, I combined a new method of fast learning and Andrei's 40 years of watercolor knowledge in a series of step-by-step tutorials, Watercolor Trip. More than 30,000 people have painted in these sketchbooks and found them immensely helpful. The sketchbook have received 1,000 5-star reviews from people who never painted before. As you can see, everybody can create their own masterpiece. With my years of teaching experience from offline masterclasses and careful study of the feedback from those who have learned from my tutorials, I have created video courses for the book series Watercolor Trip. It is designed to give you fast results. You just need enthusiasm and desire to learn more about watercolor. No prior experience is needed. Join me in this video course and I will share with you tips and tricks that I have learned. It will be fun, modern, and I guarantee you will get incredible results.